Hey, I'm William. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the clutch motor on your Samsung top-load washer. If you notice issues like your washer not spinning properly, making unusual noises, or experiencing an incomplete cycle, it might be time to check or replace this part. Now before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance repair guides. Let's get started and get your washer running smoothly again. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering the tools we'll need for today's repair. We'll be using a multimeter and a Phillips screwdriver. And you may also want to grab some tape. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your top-load washer or turn the breaker off. Before leaning it back, let's go ahead and get that lid taped shut. Your washer can be leaned back. I'm setting this washer on its back so that you can better see what I'm doing. We're grabbing our multimeter and setting our meter to resistance, which looks like an upside down horseshoe. We're unplugging the wires from the clutch motor and testing from terminal to terminal. We should see a resistance between 1075 to 1175 ohms. If the clutch motor is outside of this range, like we see here, it would need to be replaced. If it is within this range, something else may be causing your washer to not operate properly. Since we found the clutch motor has failed, I'm going to show you how to replace it. We're grabbing our Phillips screwdriver and removing the mounting screws. We're also removing the pin located right behind the clutch motor link. We're lifting the clutch motor out and rotating the link off of the clutch assembly. The clutch motor cable will feed out of the link. Here's the old clutch motor and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. We're feeding the clutch cable into the link and rotating the link onto the clutch assembly. We're grabbing our Phillips screwdriver and securing the clutch motor into place. We're also going to go ahead and install that clip back into place right behind the link. We're plugging the clutch motor wires in. Now we're grabbing the rotor and securing it onto the drive shaft with a 17mm nut that we removed. We're standing the washer back up and plugging the power cord back in. With that, we are done. Great job tackling the clutch motor replacement on your Samsung top-load washer. We'd love to hear how your repair journey went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you need a new clutch motor or any other part, just grab your washer's model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within just a couple of days, getting you right back to laundry day without much delay. Thanks for trusting us with your repair, and we look forward to assisting you with your next project.